Okay guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be building a simple Telegram chatbot that you can basically use to get news about anything, mostly tech related stuff. So let's get into the video. So first things first, we want to start with a Telegram trigger node. Telegram trigger node on message. Yeah. Okay. So if you have a Telegram credential, you have to create one. So this is how I did mine. You basically go to new credential, then you can check the docs. Once the docs open up, I basically did mine using Botfather. So with Botfather here, when you click on the start bot here, it takes you to Telegram. I already have, this was the bot I was working on, so I already have Botfather on my Telegram, so I don't want to go through that whole process again. So I'm just gonna check it out right here in Telegram, and what's the name? Botfather. Okay, here you are. So basically, to create a new chatbot, you are just gonna come here. Why is it not going down? So you're just gonna why is this thing not going down? Not time for this nonsense. Okay, so yeah, you click on new bot. So you choose the name for your bot. Let's just call our own cool bot. This is tricky for choosing a username for your bot. Usually if you just choose any simple name, they'll tell you that most names has been taken. So this username has been taken. So now I have to come up with something extraordinary, some kind of name that hopefully they have not taken. So let's just say surreptitious bot. Sorry, this username has been taken. Are you kidding me? Let's see, obstreperous what? Yay, that works. So once you have those bots, once you've named your bot like this, simple, you copy this token and come back to your N8N and you paste the token here and you save, and voila, your bot has been connected. Simple and straightforward. So what next is After you've connected your bot successfully, the next thing we're going to be doing now is we have to let's test the bot first. Let's get some data. So once bot has been created, once you click on here, this link, it takes you to your bot page. So now you can start chatting with your bot. Once you click on chat and you say hello, so now we have not set up the bot completely now, so you can't get any response back. So at least now this message you sent here has been fed into our N8N workflow. So if we open our workflow now and we check here, we check on our outfields, we have all this data, and you will see our message. What command? Clinical. Chat type private start. Okay, let me run it again. Okay, you see this text in here now, hello. So we are making some progress. So the next thing now, we are going to set up an AI agent that will basically read our Telegram message and reply back to us. So AI agent, so define below, type text, user message, put the user message here, and the system message. I'm just gonna copy this prompt here because this is what really works with the bot well. So just gonna put this prompt here in the system message and N8N attribution. Okay, so now our chat model, we're gonna use OpenAI chat model 4.0 to enable function calling. Then our memory, simple memory, let's see, number 5 is still okay. Define below key, our key will be our chat ID. What's happening? Okay, chat ID, that works. So what's next? We're gonna use the send message Telegram trigger now, so that we can send messages so our bot can talk back to us. Send text message. So the keep previous notes, I can get data. Okay, no problem. Run this hopefully again, so I can get data for this send message note. Hello. Okay, so now connected to the workflow again, and okay, we have our data here. We're going to trigger chat ID to be our chat ID, text will be the outfield, and anything offending the attribution. No. So now if we run the workflow again and we test out our bots, If I say hello now, I should get a response from the bot. Hi again, what can I do for you today? Okay, our bot is working now. So now I want to add some advanced functionalities to our bot. So now we want to add the search tool that will allow our bot to go to the web and go through resources and give us more educated answers on the questions we're asking the bot. So let's set that up. So for this, we're going to use N8N workflow tool. So call this to get small info about user questions. By searching the web, hacker news, and Wikipedia. Database source fixed. Telegram. So this workflow I put here, I have not yet implemented it, but I'm going to. So now let's just see if our search agent is going to be called. So search agent. So so from this our system prompt here, you can see the instruction we give to the search agent. They have access to this code called search agent. Use the search agent whenever the user asks current or factual information that may change over time. The equation requires blah 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 blah. So that's the prompt we have there. So now let me just do basic setup for this other workflow. Yeah. So for this other workflow now, when executed by another workflow, accept all data, and for now this is all we need here. So let's go back and Telegram to chat. So let's execute this, and I say what is the latest news from OpenAI. So if I come to my workflow now, you see my workflow is running, the search workflow has run, and if we go back now, you'll see I wasn't able to find the latest news. I want to check. This is because of I've not yet implemented the sole search functionality in the other workflow. So now let's go to the other workflow and do that now. So if I execute this workflow here and we see the data in it, there's no data. Executions. Interesting. So now I'm going to use this data here for mock data, so I won't have to be calling down that workflow over and over again. So let me just set this data up as mock data. Okay, copy. Okay, then get back to the editor, and so now we're gonna set this as our mock data. This will be our mock data I'm going to use to test this workflow. So we are going so right now set up an AI agent, and user message. So this will be the query, then let's just read out this system message. You are a research assistant, a research. You are a research agent. You help the user. You use your the set API. How can you use and Wikipedia to answer questions. And give news. You can use all tools simultaneously. Or specific tool based on the required use case. Okay. So let me make the prompt a little bit bigger so you can really see what it's about. So this is direct. Okay. So what's next? In the chat model. Open a chat model. Okay, we don't need the memory here. And what's next? We need, let's just say, the SEP API. The SEP API is the Google Web API. It allows us to like use Google to search the web. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm not gonna go through how to like do the SEP API stuff. So please check that out. set API. I've already done. I'm already connected. So the next tool we need here is how can use see article all game mini. I just see at least 10. I don't get too much. So the next thing we need is Wikipedia. Not having parameters. Okay, good. Okay, so save. So now let's get back to this workflow, and we're going to. So let's execute and run this workflow now. So now if we ask our bot a question again now, like for example now, if I ask what is the, let me ask this question again, let me just copy it and ask it again. So ask the bot this question, what is the latest news on OpenAI, and we see our workflows are running. Call the search agent which has called the other workflow now, and our AI agent is talking with the other AI agents now, trying to like get the news and send it to our Telegram bot. Okay, our chat model is going through the data. Okay, we have received it. Okay, as you can see now, yeah, some of the latest news updates regarding Microsoft and OpenAI research, blah 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 blah. So this is a simple cool bot here. You can really do lots of automation from here. You can automate your email, you can automate your calendar, you can do really cool stuff here. But I just want to show this simple bot idea in this video. So that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and have a good day.